want to tell you about a listing that we sold on 38 Glenwood back in 2025. This seller lived there his entire life. He had mobility issues, and it wasn't that he necessarily wanted to move, but he needed to get to a safer space. So he called us and we got into action. What we did is we assessed the property with our cleaning team. They went in and moved all the furniture that he no longer wanted and wanted to donate, and they moved it into the garage. And then we also lined up a couple of the apartments for him to look at, so we gave him a place to go to before we sold the house. He looked at the 29 Barrel Yards, which are large apartments with underground parking. Some of them are 1,500 square feet. He also looked at Deer Ridge Point, which is near the Mandarin on King Street. They also have large new units, underground parking. When he found a place to move to, because leaving him homeless is bad for business, we went into action. We had it professionally cleaned. We had the carpets cleaned, had junk removal, remove all the junk. And once it was ready to go, then we had a professional photographer come in and we had a mass open house. There were 22 groups through. We had 8 offers and it sold for $30,000 over asking. So if you're in the position that you've been there a long time and you just don't know where to start, then you could absolutely give us a call. We do more than just put the sign on the lawn. We can help you from the beginning until the end. We can help you find an apartment to move to, get the house professionally cleaned, and make sure you get to a safe space, and then get you the highest and best offer.